nobody wants to be broke. Even before they get like a well-paying job. I'm sure nobody wants to be broke when they are in school, or let's say when they are even done with school and they are waiting for like NYSC. Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be talking about business ideas for students in the year 2022. And when I mean business ideas for students, I mean business ideas that are legit and will fetch you money over time. If this is something you're interested in and you don't want to miss out, then keep on watching. If this is your first time stopping by here, you're welcome, and don't make it your last by subscribing. To my returning subscribers, I want to say a very thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I'm sure nobody wants to be broke when they are in school, or let's say when they are even done with school and they are waiting for like NYSC. Even before they get like a well-paying job, nobody wants to be broke. Yeah, so these are ideas that will like fetch you money while you are still in school. Let's say you're even out of school, you don't have like a 9 to 5 yet, if that is what you want. These are business ideas that will like fetch you money on the long run and would actually sustain you for a long period of time. The first thing on my list is going to be being a freelance writer. So freelance writer in the sense that there are blogs that need people to like write content for them on their blogs. There are like business pages that need people to like write content ideas for their business. There are like businesses that need people to like write product description and all for their business. This is something you can also like check out. I know of there is this platform called I think freelance writer or something. That's what they do. So you up on there, register as a writer, then anytime like new jobs come, they notify you through your email. There is also another one called Upwork. Upwork is also another platform whereby like there are various kind of jobs, and jobs that you can do remotely. Like you don't need to like be there like physically before you can start earning money. So you can also look at these platforms, Upwork and freelance. I'm not sure, but I'll try and check, then write the name of what I'm trying to say in the description box below. Second thing I would also want to talk about is creating an ebook. There was this video I dropped, I think sometimes last year, where I talked about writing an ebook. So I would say this again because these are ways you can make money sleeping. Be on your bed sleeping, and then people are purchasing your ebook and you're getting money. And one reason why I find this interesting is because you just need to like write the ebook once. So you can probably, let's say, dedicate like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month in your life, although you still be doing other stuff, but like dedicate like some days to writing an ebook, pushing it out, letting people buy it and all. So let's say you're good at a particular thing, you're good at saving, you are good at, I don't know, whatever you're good at, and you see that people keep asking you, this is something you can turn into an ebook. This is called, I think, passive way of making money, because you're sleeping and then you're making money. You just need to like do the job once, and after that you keep making your money. So this is also another idea you can start as a student in the year 2022. Another idea is going to be starting like a delivery service in school. In my hostel, there is this particular girl that in the evening she sends like a message, because we have like a group chat in my hostel. She sends like a message and she's like, okay, I'll be going to item 7 by 7, I'll be going to Timmy's shawarma by 7. Do you want me to get anything for you? That way she collates people order, and on each food you are buying, you are paying, and like you're paying 100 naira delivery service on it. So this is something you can also consider doing. Yours might not be in like a particular hostel. You can go to like various hostels, or let's say you can even have like representative in various hostels that like collect orders, and then they send it to you, you purchase and send it back to them. Another business idea you can start is being a freelance model. So a freelance model is not as if that is like your major job, but you are just freelancing. So anybody can call you at any time to ask, okay, will you be free to like come over to like model for this brand, do 1 or 2 things. That way, whenever people have like shoots to do, because you are good at this, you are the next person they call on to. So I have this friend in my hostel, Glory. She's fine, she's photogenic, she has a good skin. Whenever like makeup artists, people that have like shoots for like their clothing brand. Whenever they need like a model, she's their go-to person because she's a freelance model. People love her. People love the kind of work she gives out. So let's say you're also good, you have like a photogenic face, you have like a good posture, a good stature, and all. This is also something you can consider doing as well. And also, I was watching a lady's live on Instagram some days back, and she talked about, if you have, there are some ladies that when you see their legs, you love their legs. Like when they, whatever they wear, it looks good. You can also be like a freelance model for shoe brands, whereby they send you shoes, or they send you shoes to like model for them. Let's say you have like pretty hands, pretty fingers. You can also consider like modeling for people that sell bracelets, people that sell wedding rings, people that fix nails and all. This is also another business idea you can start as a student. The thing is, sometimes we feel people don't need our service. Like sometimes we feel, what I have is just a normal thing. It is not normal, because you are like that because that is how God created you. What you have, another person does not have. So the more reason why you should use what you have to your own advantage. And yeah, the next thing on our list is going to be making customized vest. So yeah, I recently finished my exam, my final papers last month, and we are supposed to like do our final year weekend. Or there is this lady in my faculty who makes like customized vest. She started, she was into the business before, but I would say she made more sales when we did our final year week, because virtually everybody patronized, maybe not everybody, but like let me say like 70-60% of the people patronized this lady. So this is also something you can also try. There's also a page on Instagram, the 5K tote shop, I think. I'll try and insert a picture for you people to see. What they do is customized vest and customized tote bags. And you see, the funny thing about it is you feel there's no money in this thing. That will people even like want to like customize vest and do tote bag and all. But well, the first day I stumbled upon this page, I was blown away, because the number of orders they send out each day is mind-blowing. So this is also something you can also consider as a student in the year 2022. Another thing is also going to be creating or selling line art. So line art in the sense that, let's say you're not an artist here. There are other ways you can like create art designs without being an artist, and this is what we call line art. So it is just like a line showing, I don't know how to explain it. I'll try and insert a picture of what I'm saying here for you to understand. So you can also do stuffs like this and like convert it to money. So you could like create like what's it called? I remember there was a time I got, yes, I got a line art. Is it line art also from AliExpress? It came in like just in a canva, and I had to like frame it myself. So this is also something you can consider doing, creating line art, selling line art. You can go online, you can go on Pinterest, you can go on Canva, and you see like various line arts. You convert those into like a Canva picture, and then you sell it out for people to buy. So instead of people buying like drawings of themselves and hanging it in their house, or like drawings of anything of like abstract objects and all, they can purchase line art, and then this way you are making money as a student. I hope I make sense though. And I tried as much as possible to like break this down for you to understand. So I hope you understand. I'll try and insert a picture of what I am saying here for you to see. Another thing on the list is going to be creating designs on Canva and selling it to business brands. I know of a page on Instagram, a lady whereby that is what she does. She makes like editable Canva templates for business owners. So for some business owners don't have time to like go on Canva to redesign, or they don't even have enough money to pay like a graphic design to come up with designs for them to post on their social media platform. This way they go to purchase like editable Canva templates that is so easy. The only thing they need to do is just like insert the picture of their brand, the picture of their products, their logo, and that is it. So this is also something you can also try to understand. There are various videos on Canva on here on YouTube. Canva also has like a YouTube channel where they like talk about what happens in Canva here. So this is also something you can consider doing as a student. And the amazing thing about this is something you can create on your phone. Ebook, you can create ebook on your phone. I created an ebook on my phone. Even before I had the opportunity of like having a laptop, I created an ebook on my phone. So all these things are things you can create or do on your phone. The last thing on this list is going to be creating a planner or a journal. So one of the things that helped me last year and 2020 and 2019 was me getting a journal. So a journal is basically like a book whereby you just write stuffs, like you write stuffs down. It is not dated, no date, compared to a diary whereby you have to like put things down on a daily basis. A journal, you don't need to put things down on a daily basis. I just like write how I'm feeling down. There are various kind of journals, so it depends on what you want to go for. You could want to go for a journal for self-development. You could want to go for a journal for savings. You could want to go for a journal for just speaking to God, like different kind of things. A journal for growth and all. So that is also something you can consider doing as a student. Also, you may also want to think of starting like a planner business. A planner business is kind of, I don't want to say like technical, because there are a lot of things that goes into a planner, a whole lot of things. But if it is something you are capable of doing, or you are capable of pulling through, you could also consider starting like a planner business. I hope I've shared and I've dropped amazing business ideas you can start in the year 2022 as a student. Let me know in the comment section which of these business ideas you will be willing to try. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, like I always say, that you are enough and you matter, and everything is figure outable. Yeah, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to hit the red button. I don't know if it is here or here, but wherever it is, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, so that each time I upload a new videos like this, you'll be the first person to know. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.